G'day, here's a few pieces of lower grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. The white that you're seeing sometimes is the light reflection off the light. These are lower grade pieces and price reflects that. And a couple of these still will produce, or would hope to produce, picture type stones like this one. Top needs to be ground down a bit and reshaped. There's no other seam in that. This one again looks a bit like a wave pattern, sure. This is often referred to as picture stones. Looks like actually this piece is from Koroit, looking at the type of parent material. I don't know where the other pieces are from. Again, this piece just needs to be ground down. I'll take some of this stuff off the top, but it's not a lot of fire in it. This I've just thrown in. Someone might as well have it as to be thrown out. Same with this piece. This piece has got a bit of fire up this end of it. Maybe cut it off there and then grind this down. You might find something underneath that. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.